Hi everyone, I thought I would show you my new Rempod. It's from Paratech and it only cost me £23 on eBay. Let me just turn you round and I'll show you what it does. So, here it is. It's a Rempod. It has 6 flashing blue LED lights here around the outside and a sound alert LED in the middle, and it also changes colour and it glows constantly, which also acts as a power light, making it easier to find in the dark. The batteries go here underneath, so there's no wires showing, and it also makes it easier if you're videoing in the dark. You can then ask the spirits to go to the big flashing light here in the middle. So it's also got a chrome on and off switch here and the aerial here. Switch it on. As you can see, 6 lights around and the one in the middle is constant. Okay, let's test it out next to my doll and see if I can get anything to interact with it. I'm going to turn the light off and show you the full effect when the light is out. I then can ask the spirit to touch the big flashing light in the middle, calling out to any spirits. Can you come forward, please? Give me a sign. Can you touch the flashing light over here, please? Give it a few minutes. For £23 off Paratech on eBay, it's an absolute bargain. Let's go like that. I'm also going to put a Rempod here, also an EMF, and see if anything goes near the doll. Calling out to any spirits attached to this doll. Can you give me a sign of your presence? Can you touch the big light in the middle, please? Right, I'm going to keep working with the Rempod. I just thought I'd give you a bit of information about the Rempod So go on Paratech on eBay, have a look at his other gadgets and check out his Rempods. He's got all sorts on there. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye for now.